Hey there, communication enthusiasts. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential in the modern dating world. 15 rules to mastering text message conversations with women. Crafting captivating text conversations is a skill that can open doors to meaningful connections. But before we delve into these valuable insights, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you're always in the loop with our enlightening content. Let's unlock the secrets of mastering text message conversations together. Are you ready to enhance your text game and create engaging conversations that leave an impact? Let's dive right into these 15 essential rules to capture her attention and build a strong connection. Rule 1. Start with a strong opener. Your opening text sets the tone. Be intriguing, genuine, and context-aware to capture her interest right from the start. Rule 2. Be a good listener. Listening applies to texting too. Show genuine interest in her responses, ask follow-up questions, and build the conversation based on her insights. Rule 3. Keep it positive and uplifting. Positivity is magnetic. Infuse your texts with optimism and warmth to create a positive atmosphere that she enjoys being a part of. Rule 4. Balance playfulness and depth. A mix of playful banter and meaningful conversations keeps the interaction engaging. Balance lightheartedness with moments of deeper connection. Rule 5. Respect response time. Respect her response time, and avoid sending multiple texts if she hasn't replied yet. Give her the space she needs to engage at her own pace. Rule 6. Embrace proper grammar and spelling. Good grammar and spelling reflect your effort and attention to detail. A well-composed text conveys respect and a desire for effective communication. Rule 7. Use emojis mindfully. Emojis can add emotion and context, but use them judiciously. They enhance your messages, but an excessive use can dilute their impact. Rule 8. Create inside jokes. Inside jokes and shared references create a unique bond. These moments of connection make your conversations memorable and special. Rule 9. Sprinkle compliments sincerely. Compliments should be genuine and specific. Sincere appreciation makes her feel valued and understood. Rule 10. Show curiosity. Curiosity fuels connection. Ask open-ended questions that prompt her to share more about her interests, experiences, and thoughts. Rule 11. Be mindful of length. Find the right balance between concise messages and detailed responses. Long texts can sometimes feel overwhelming, while very short ones might seem disinterested. Rule 12. Be playfully mysterious. Leaving a hint of mystery can keep her intrigued. Share just enough to spark curiosity and make her want to learn more about you. Rule 13. Create engaging challenges. Engaging challenges, like a friendly debate or sharing interesting facts, add an element of excitement and keep the conversation dynamic. Rule 14. Know when to end the conversation. Ending on a high note leaves her looking forward to your next interaction. Recognize when the conversation has reached a natural stopping point. Rule 15. Respect her boundaries. Respect her comfort zone. If she's not responding or seems disinterested, it's important to give her space without pushing too hard. Remember, mastering text message conversations is about creating genuine connections. By following these rules, you can engage women in meaningful and enjoyable interactions. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey into the world of text message conversations. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. And, of course, subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. If you have thoughts or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more enlightening insights, and until next time, may your texts spark connections that resonate with authenticity. See you soon.